everyone, welcome to Proving CS, where we give wings to your professional dreams. ये हितेश शर्मा, current affairs presentation and skills at CSET level. In this video, we'll be discussing important questions of current affairs from 1st June, from 11 June to 20th June. 1st June to 10th June. मैंने लास्ट वीडियो में डिस्कस कर लिया है. In this video, we'll be discussing important questions 11 June to 20th. Students who are watching this video, मैं एक चीज़ बताना चाहता हूँ. 11 जून टू 20 जून ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटीज़ पे है. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आपको ऐसे दिखेंगे जो ज़्यादातर स्पोर्ट्स पे है, क्योंकि यूरो 2020 विच इज़ कंडक्टेड इन 2020 साउथ अमेरिकन का कोपा अमेरिका फुटबॉल कॉम्पिटिशन, मेनली फ्रेंच ओपन ख़त्म हुआ, उसके ऊपर क्वेश्चन. ज़्यादातर क्वेश्चन आपको स्पोर्ट्स पे मिले. एवरीवन, we start with our discussion on this video, which is the first country in the world to give legal tender status to Bitcoin. कि आपने Bitcoin के बारे में सुना तो होगा. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency which is basically अभी तक कहीं पे इतना legalization is, but कौन सी एक country है first country जिस legal tender status? Italy, Japan, El Salvador, none of this. El Salvador, it is a South American country, लीगल टेंडर स्टेटस दे दिया है बिटकॉइन. A report said that a majority of lawmakers approved the bill, which was moved by President Nayib Bukele. The law will pave the way for the approval of legal tender in the South America. The president has backed the cryptocurrency in the economy. अगर इकोनॉमी एक बूस्ट मिल जाएगा, इकोनॉमी को एक पेस मिल जाएगा ड्यू टू द यूज ऑफ दिस cryptocurrency. El Salvador economy relies on remittances, and those who are working abroad can send back home their money in Bitcoin. It will bring financial inclusion, investment, tourism, innovation, and development for the country, Bukele said in a tweet. He added that the use of Bitcoin, whose use will be optional, would not bring risk to users. Its use as legal tender will go into law in 9. The government will guarantee the credibility, the exact value in dollars at the moment of each transaction. Said. Who has recently become the second most active international goal scorer football player. Active मतलब वो players जो कि अभी भी फुटबॉल खेल रहे हैं, retired players नहीं. Who has become the second most active international goal scorer? First is Cristiano, second is an Indian ace Sunil Chhetri. Answer is Sunil Chhetri because second पूछा. इसमें बेटा जो मैंने इमेज शेयर किया है, क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो के 103 गोल्स दिखा रहे हैं. एट प्रेजेंट क्रिस्टियानो हैज रीच टू 107 गोल्स. अभी जो यूरो 2021 चैंपियनशिप्स चल रहा है, क्रिस्टियानो ने और भी गोल्स मार दिए. नेक्स्ट, थर्ड क्वेश्चन. Which city has been named the world's most livable city of 2020 by EIU? What is EIU? Economic Intelligence. Osaka, Adelaide, Auckland, none of this. There is Auckland. Auckland has been named the most livable city of 2021 because इन्होंने कोविड-19 काफी अच्छी तरीके से कंट्रोल किया है. Auckland rose to the top of ranking owing to its successful approach in containing COVID-19, allowed its society to remain open and the city to score strongly on number of metrics in education. Next, who has acquired the loyalty platform Payback India? Payback India को किसने acquire किया? Google Pay, Phone Pay, भारत पे, भारत पे. भारत पे जो लॉन्च हुआ था 2018 में, उन्होंने फर्स्ट एक्विजिशन किया है पेबैक इंडिया को खरीद. पेबैक इंडिया की एक्विजिशन, पेबैक इंडिया की जो होल्डिंग्स है वो अमेरिकन एक्सप्रेस और आईसीआई इन्वेस्टमेंट के पास थी. अब वो एग्जिट ले सकते हैं क्योंकि भारत पे ने पूरा का पूरा टेक ओवर कर लिया. नेक्स्ट, मर्चेंट पेमेंट्स एंड फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज प्रोवाइडर भारत पे has acquired multi-brand loyalty platform Payback India to help an offline merchant roll out rewards and loyalty programs for customers. The acquisition is expected to give an exit to American Express and ICICI in the strategic 90% and 10% respectively, and the entity Payback India will continue to function independently even after the acquisition. The deal is expected to be worth $30 million. An individual aware of the discussion told Mint on condition of anonymity. It also marks Bharat Pay's first acquisition in scheme. With this deal, Bharat Pay, which has traditionally been powering payments and providing credit and other financial offline methods, enters the consumer facing. Everyone. Fifth question, which company, इसका आंसर सबको आता है, is manufacturing the world's longest undersea cable? Answer is Google, और वो केबल का नाम है Fermina cable, which will be connecting North America and South America, North American and South American countries. इसका नाम Fermina cable क्यों है, उसका भी रीजनिंग नीचे दिया हुआ है. Let's read on it. Google on Wednesday said it is building an open subsea cable that will connect the east coast of the US and Las Toninas, Argentina, with additional landings in Brazil and Uruguay. With the new cable, the tech giants aims to bolster internet connectivity in South America and enhance its existing cable investments. The Fermina cable, named after Brazilian abolitionist and author Maria Firmina dos Reis, will be the longest cable in the world. This is capable of running entirely from a single power source at one end of the cable if its other power sources become temporarily unavailable, Google said. With 12 fiber pairs, the cable will carry traffic quickly and securely between North and South America, giving users fast, low latency access to Google products such as Search, YouTube, Gmail, as well as other Google. Everyone. Which bank has launched Kavach personal loan scheme for COVID-19 patients? बेटा COVID-19 के वजह से COVID-19 के पेंडेमिक काफी families are affected financially. So SBI, State Bank of India, largest public bank of India, has come out with a loan scheme, personal for families affected due to COVID-19. अब आप लोन कितने रुपए तक का ले सकते हैं? मैक्सिमम 5 lakhs तक का लोन ले सकते हो, 25,000 से सकते हो. का रीपेमेंट पीरियड 5 years है, विच इज इक्विवेलेंट टू 6 months, और 3 months मोरेटोरियम दिया है. मोरेटोरियम अगर कोई मंथ में आप लोग ईएमआई पे करने में अनसक्सेसफुल, चलेगा. ऐसे 3 महीने आप पे नहीं करोगे तो चलेगा. एसबीआई उतना अलाउ कर रही है. आपने पे नहीं किया वो आपके ऐड हो जाएगा. हाँ, द रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इज 8.5%. The State Bank of India launched a collateral-free loan scheme called Kavach Personal Loan for the families affected by COVID-19. According to a statement shared by the country's top lender on Tuesday, the personal loan scheme has the lowest rate of interest and is aimed at families struggling financially due to COVID-19 pandemic. The bank stated that reimbursement of expenses already incurred for COVID-19 related medical expenses provided under the scheme. अगर आपने COVID-19 पेंडेमिक में अगर आपको कोविड-19 हुआ है तो ये आपको ये लोन मिलेगा. तो आपको पॉजिटिव रिपोर्ट उनके साथ शेयर करनी पड़ेगी कि आप कोविड-19 हो. कोविड-19 में अगर आपने या आपकी फैमिली मेंबर्स ने कुछ एक्सपेंसेस इनकर किए, मेडिकल एक्सपेंस, इलाज के लिए, ट्रीटमेंट के लिए, वो भी रीइंबर्समेंट हो. नेक्स्ट, सेवेंथ क्वेश्चन, which bank has won the title of best bank in the world by Forbes? Answer is DBS Bank. DBS Bank has been named the best bank of the world by Forbes. DBS Bank has been named by Forbes in the list of world's best banks 2020. DBS was ranked number of 30 domestic and international banks in India for the second consecutive year. This is the third edition of the world's best banks list. Forbes conducted in partnership with research firm Statista. Over 43,000 banking customers across the globe were surveyed on their current and former banking relationship. Customer survey के basis पे award मिला है. Rated banks on general satisfaction, key attributes like trust, digital services, advice and fee. Eighth, ये सबसे important और सबसे easiest question होगा. Who has launched the cricket coaching website Crick Uru? Answer is legendary Indian opener वीरेंद्र सहवाग. इन्होंने Crick Uru कोचिंग वेबसाइट लॉन्च की है, which is the first coaching website using artificial intelligence. The young players who are taking cricket एज अ स्पोर्ट, एज ए करियर, तो ये वेबसाइट के ऊपर पूरा का पूरा उनको एक्सेस मिल सकता है टू हाउ टू डेवलप देयर गेम. फास्ट क्रिकेटिंग लेजेंड्स लाइक एबी डिविलियर्स, ब्रेट ली, एडम गिलक्रिस्ट, हरभजन सिंह अपने इनपुट शेयर किए हैं ताकि जो यंगर प्लेयर्स हैं उनको एक प्रॉपर एडवाइस मिले एज टू हाउ टू मेक देयर गेम बेटर. Indian star cricketer Virender Sehwag has launched an experiential learning portal for cricket coaching named Crick Uru. It is India's first artificial intelligence enabled coaching site to offer a personalized learning experience for the younger players. The website can be accessed at www.crickuru.com. Curriculum for each player has been developed personally by Virender Sehwag along with the former Indian player and batting coach of Indian cricket team Sanjay Banga. He was a batting coach for India 2015 से लेकर 19 तक. Young players will be able to learn to play cricket through master classes by 30 player coaches from across the globe like A.B. de Villiers, Bradley Van Lara, Chris Gayle, Wayne Bravo, Harbhajan Singh share their experience. And who has won the French Open men's single title? Answer is Novak Djokovic. Novak Djokovic is the only player in tennis men's history to win all the four Grand Slams, which is Australian Open, French Open, Wimbledon, US Open. ये चारों ग्रैंड स्लैम्स नोवाक जोकोविक ही ऐसे प्लेयर है जिन्होंने हर ग्रैंड स्लैम मिनिमम 2 बार जीता है. The answer is Novak Djokovic. Now he has 19 Grand Slams. Everyone. Which cricketer has released his autobiography? Is Suresh Raina. Yeah. Which cricketer has released his autobiography? That is Suresh Raina. He was a middle order batsman and an outstanding fielder for India. Everyone. Next, who has become the highest goal scorer in European Championship, which is happening currently? The answer is Cristiano Ronaldo, Portugal captain, also known as CR7, who has launched the Report It, Don't Share It initiative. रिपोर्ट करो, शेयर मत करो, ऐसा इनिशिएटिव किसने किया है? लॉन्च किया है फेसबुक टू just prevent child abuse. Social media giant Facebook has launched an initiative, Report It, Don't Share It, that encourages people to report child abuse content on the platform. The initiative Report It, Don't Share It is in collaboration with civil society organization Arham India Initiative. According to a report by Bank of America, how many jobs will IT companies cut due to automation? अब गाइस ऑटोमेशन आने की वजह से टेक्नोलॉजी में एडवांसमेंट आने की वजह से आईटी कंपनीज जो कि इंडिया में 16 मिलियन जॉब्स ऑफर करती है, 16 मिलियन लोगों को जॉब्स देती है, कितने लोगों का जॉब्स आने वाला है? 3 मिलियन. 1 मिलियन इज 10 lakhs, तो मिलियन इज 30 lakh जॉब कट्स होने वाले हैं बाय 2000. With automation taking place at a much faster pace across industries specializing in a tech space that employ over 16 million are set to slash headcounts by a massive 3 million by 2000 and save a whooping $100 billion mostly in salaries annually, says a report. मतलब आईटी कंपनीज की एक रिपोर्ट आई है, 3 मिलियन लोग जॉब्स कट हो जाएंगे, इसके वजह से आईटी कंपनीज सैलरी एक्सपेंस सेव कर पाएगी. तो अब आईटी कंपनीज का मिलाएंगे तो $100 billion सैलरीज में. Which Indian American has been appointed as its chairman by Microsoft? Sundar Pichai, Shiv Nadar, Satya Nadella. None of this. Answer is Satya Nadella. Unanimously appointed as chairman by Microsoft. Microsoft Corp on Wednesday announced that the board's independent directors unanimously elected Nadella the role of board chair and unanimously elected John W. Director, a role he held previously from held with the field. In this role, Nadella will lead the work to set the agenda for the board, leveraging his deep understanding of the business to elevate the right strategic opportunity, key risk and mitigation approaches, review the company's readiness. Last question. Last question is on our greatest legend in sport, Milkha Singh ji, who has recently passed. Condolences, his family. We have lost a diamond in Milkha Singh ji. I hope his soul rest in and prayers to his family, strength to his family. Question is, at what age has the great Indian sprinter मिल्खा सिंह जी passed away? कौन सी एज में वो ये उनकी जो लाइफ है वो पास हो चुकी है? कौन सी एज में? आंसर इज 91. He was 91 last week when he recently passed away. Milkha Singh ji has won gold at Commonwealth Games. He has won gold for India at Asian Games. He was the man who inspired millions of Indians to take up sport as their career. We salute Milkha Singh ji for whatever he has done for this great nation called India. On this note, guys, this video is done. It's a request to all students who are watching this video. You subscribe to our YouTube Provings CS. इंस्टाग्राम पे आप हमको फॉलो कर सकते हो. इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल इज प्रोविंग्स एंड प्लीज लास्ट वीक मैंने आप लोग का 1 जून से 10 जून वाले वीडियोस अपलोड किए थे. ये 11 जून से 20 जून. अब नेक्स्ट वीक में अपन 21 जून से 30 जून के जो वीडियोस है वो मैं अपलोड करूँगा. इट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल स्टूडेंट्स हु आर गोइंग टू अपीयर फॉर CSEET एग्जाम. जो इंस्टीट्यूट ने मॉड्यूल दी है रेफरेंस पढ़ने के लिए वो काफ़ी नहीं है, क्योंकि ये सब्जेक्ट का नाम करंट अफेयर्स. तो आपके एग्जाम्स के 3 या 4 या 5 महीने पहले जो भी इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन वो अपन डिस्कस करते रहेंगे ताकि आपको एग्जाम्स में ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट. एवरीवन, थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. सी यू.